Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. So we are in the kitchen, and my ain't no Johnny Gill time, but it is a my these dishes, they need to be washed. Up there, down here, behind us, girl, like, and laundry too. Like, it's a whole struggle out here for me, y'all. But anyways, we're gonna get into cleaning these dishes, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Somebody call the dishwasher police, okay? Because she needs some whole lot of help, okay? So in my dishwater, I just got some palm olive dish soap. This is like my favorite, and the blue one is my all-time favorite, but this one was on sale, so I grabbed this one. Don't y'all like my little my little snowman, green snowman? It changed colors. Whatever dish soap I put in there, that's what color it is. But anyways, let's get right into it. We got these dishes we need to wash, child. We need to wash these. Y'all, while I'm letting this water out, look, I gotta be honest. I let these dishes build up because I was going through the whole issue with my wisdom tooth. It was thriving. It was in pain. I needed to get it out. I just lost all kind of energy, just all kind of alertness for washing dishes, cleaning my house and stuff like that. Your girl's minimal out here, and I need to stay accountable for everything that I freaking do. You know what I mean? So y'all stay tuned because there's going to be a whole lot of Vlogmas going on here. A whole lot of minimal, you know. I'm just keeping it, you know, keeping it minimal on this channel. So look at all that nasty stuff from the food and stuff. I finally got those dishes washed. I have no excuse. My wisdom tooth is pulled out, and you know, I'm still in some type of pain, but not a lot of pain to where I'm not laying down. I can get up and clean, you know what I mean? That kind of pain. So yes, your girl got to get it back together, get it back right. And yes, y'all, I've been MIA, but I told y'all in the video before that, but that video number 2, I think it was number 1, that I'm back. Vlogmas, minimal Vlogmas day 1, or the one before that, I can't remember. But one of those videos I told y'all I was back, and I put it in the comment section as well, so y'all go watch that video. But I'm back. I'm doing Vlogmas, but I'm doing it my way, and it's going to be minimal Vlogmas for me, because we minimal over here. We just keeping it, you know, keeping it minimal. But anyways, I'm gonna have to let these 2 pots soak a little bit, because I did not put them directly in the water after they were done. And I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up this sink and stuff, because child, like, sis, bruh, like, ooh, look at this trash can, needs to be taken out. Then babe just been over here struggling, and our energy has not been like what it needs to be. So I am about to get myself together so I can get us together. That's how it works, you know. We have to pull each other up as a couple, as a team. And I do believe I need to wash that little jug thing, but we're gonna do that a little later. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry these dishes, and then we're gonna start the cleaning process in the kitchen, which is just gonna be minimal, nothing too, you know, out there, you know. So I got both of these at Dollar Tree. One is for the dish soap, and then one is for my hand soap. And I honestly love these, even though one is green and one is white, like the color is supposed to be. It's okay, because I like it, and it's cute. go in with my, it was a Method bottle, but I have some half water and half Fabi. If you know what Fabi is, it's Fabuloso. And then earlier, I placed one of these. I've tried it before. Citrus Scent, 6 tablets. These are the drain freshener tablets. And I just kind of let it sit in the drain for like 60, or you can do 30 minutes. But I let it sit in there for about an hour and let the hot water go over it. Once I'm done with this, I'll just turn on the garbage disposal, and it should be, it should clean the drain out.